Guys, I'm not ready for tomorrow.
I'll never lose. And if you gotta choose, then I'm not the one to choose.
So I'm ready to go. So I look like a mess, but I'm waiting for my aunt to get here. I'm gonna die. So my aunt is finally here. That's Leah.
Hey.
This is Aisha.
Can you hear me?
Aisha. Guys, look at her bitches.
Aisha said we irritated.
That's Sierra. Yeah, Samantha. What do you think it is?
Girl, you're not even showing anything.
Leah, are you telling them?
Let's sneak in.
Sierra, she cute. And that's Aisha, she irritating. And then that's Sam, that doesn't want to be in anything.
What? What did you say?
And then that's Sam by herself.
Now you're vlogging.
Yeah. Beep.
Now. She was actually like 3 seconds ago.
That's Eli. Leah. We went to McDonald's and Leah's taking poop, but anyway, so we're at McDonald's, we're eating, and some boys still pick Leah, but that's for a different video. But yeah, we're at McDonald's. Bye. We're gonna go to Sierra and Samantha right now. Cute. We're on our way back from McDonald's. Here's Sam. I can't see myself either. Alright, there. And then there's Leah. Hi. We're going to print screen. Here's Sierra looking cute. Even though she says she ugly, but she look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. And look at her too. Beautiful. Oh, I can't. She cute. She cute. Look at her face. Ooh.
Bro, she called you Samantha and I was like, what the fuck? You sound so weird.
Heading over another round. Oh, never mind, man. Let's just hope we got one more train load in her.
Oh. You actually look nice.
Oh, whatever.
Oh, there's no line. There's no line. There's no line. Oh, fucking God. There's no line.
I'm her partner.
Yeah, Sam's my partner because she's cute.
Oh my god, you can barely see them. Dude, my lips look so pink on the book. Wait, where are you putting
So this whole time I was basically screaming really loud, so you know, just enjoy the music. I also want to say that I had a great time with these people and that they're so amazing. I love all of you that went today with me. Yeah, love you guys.
It's so fun, bro.
Yeah, we should go again. No, bitch.
We should just spend the rest of our time on ghost this shit.
No, we want to go on hang time at night. Oh my God, look at our picture. Yeah. Look at my big forehead. She says she wants to walk her fish.
Oh my God, it's because
Look at his little feet.
You want to pay for that, huh? Bro, fishes don't have feet. Oh my God, remember I popped that once and they were like, you break it, you buy it, and I was like, what?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Pero. Okay. So yeah, that's the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed whatever I've recorded. Love you guys. Till next time.